Hello, Fabrice here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix all the problems and issues with Coinbase on the iOS. So first thing what you want to do is go up to the App Store, search for Coinbase, right here, take your Coinbase app and you need to update. Update is always right there is the open. And if you have, like me, the newest version and still you have the issues, there are two more ways how to fix it. First way is just go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go apps, Coinbase, and set all settings for Fabric, like here, like mine. Mine is Fabric, and Siri all on, search all on, background app refresh on, language doesn't matter, you can change it if you need to. And after this, if you have still some problems and issues with the app, there's one more solution. The last one is just reinstall the app, like this. Take your app, remove, uninstall, go back to the App Store and just install again. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and bye.